In the animal kingdom, might is just by physical. It's survival of the fittest. But when it comes to the human world, it's knowledge. And that translates to education. So I would say to all of us, especially teachers and students, that take up your education seriously, because this is the way forward. And in doing that, we'll be able to build a human capital that will serve Western region and the whole country.
It is not only the packages that satisfy or motivate us, but the exposure that they are getting out of this platform. Independence entails a lot. It deals with history, philosophy, everything. So we have to also put thought together to test participants on what they have learned over the years. So therefore, it's a way of exposing the students for them to learn more about what Ghana's independence and the cultural values of this country is all about. As you witnessed, there were questions on chieftaincy culture and tradition, environment, science, ICT. It is a blend of a lot of areas that were tackled this time.
And it is a very, very, very good program, very educative, that intends to instill discipline, tell the history of the region, the rich history of the region and the country as a whole. So, it encourages patriotism and gives insight to the history and the rich culture of the region.